Yeah, now we'll see rules to write partial fractions. If one rational function is given, first of all we have to check given rational function is proper or improper. Why? Because propers are going to have partial fractions, improper we are not having partial fractions, but we will convert improper into proper. Why? Because propers are going to have partial fractions, improper proper గా కన్వర్ట్ చేస్తే పార్షల్ ఫ్రాక్షన్ చెప్పడం ఈజీ అవుతుంది కాబట్టి ఫస్ట్ ఇంప్రాపర్ని ప్రాపర్గా కన్వర్ట్ చేయడం ఎట్లా నేర్చుకుందాం. అయితే ఫస్ట్ రూల్ ఈజ్ దట్ ఇఫ్ ద గివెన్ ఫంక్షన్ ఈజ్ ఇంప్రాపర్ ఫ్రాక్షన్, ఇంప్రాపర్ రేషనల్ ఫంక్షన్, ఇంప్రాపర్ ఫ్రాక్షన్ ఈజ్ నథింగ్ బట్ if numerator degree is greater than or equal to denominator degree. Here numerator, just I am taking an example, numerator degree is 5, denominator degree is 3. Now this is improper function. When improper function is given, first of all you have to divide numerator with denominator. That is, here denominator is nothing but divisor we are saying, that is g of x. By dividing f of x with g of x, you will get two values. One is a coefficient, another one is a remainder. Another one is remainder. Here you will get coefficient 1, another one is remainder. By using this coefficient and remainder, we will write one equation. Before that, how we are dividing, we'll see. If numerator is g of f of x, denominator is g of x, here numerator degree is 5, denominator degree is 3. ఎక్కడ వరకు డివైడ్ చేయాలి? టు గెట్ దిస్ రిమైండర్ డిగ్రీ ఈ g of x డిగ్రీ కంటే తక్కువ వచ్చే విధంగా, అంటే ఫర్ సపోజ్ హియర్ డిగ్రీ is 5, హియర్ డిగ్రీ is 3, we are dividing f of x with g of x until to get remainder degree less than the that is divisor degree. Now first divide చేసిన కోషెంట్ రాస్తాం, ఇంకా రిమైండర్ డిగ్రీ అనేది ఫస్ట్ 5 ఉంది కాబట్టి 4 వచ్చింది. 4 వచ్చింది తక్కువనా? మరి 4 అనేది 3 కంటే తక్కువ కాదు. మళ్ళీ వన్స్ అగైన్ యూ హావ్ టు డివైడ్, దెన్ యూ గాట్ 3. 3 is equal to g of x degree. Now once again you have to degree 2. Now this is less than, you may get 2 or 1 directly after getting 4, or directly you will get 2 or 1 also. Always you have to check remainder degree less than the g of x degree or not. Based upon these two values, the quotient and remainder, we are writing this function, that is a improper function f of x by g of x equal to, we are writing equation that is a coefficient plus a remainder by our divisor, that is g of x. Now see, remainder degree is in our example 2, divisor degree is 3. Now this 2 is less than 3, that's why this improper is converted to proper. Based upon this equation, that improper is converted to proper. Why? Because propers are going to have partial fractions. That's, we will see now, if the proper functions are given, proper rational function, ante whatever the given function f of x by g of x is there, if f of x by g of x is proper, means numerator degree is less than denominator degree, numerator degree is less than denominator, then it is proper. In this you have to see only denominator, that is g of x. If g of x is having a linear factor ax plus b, that is it's having more number of linear factors. Not only if degree of denominator is 2, it's going to have 2 linear factor, degree 3 linear factor. Sometimes you won't get linear also, you will get quadratic also. But if I am saying here ax plus b is one of the factor of g of x, one of the factor I am saying, only one and only, not only one of the, ante any number of 5 ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ ఉంటే దాంట్లో ఒక వన్ ఆఫ్ ద ఫ్యాక్టర్, లీనియర్ ఫ్యాక్టర్ అనేది ఎగ్జిస్ట్ అయితే, దీని కరస్పాండింగ్ పార్షల్ ఫ్రాక్షన్ ఏమవుతుందంటే క్యాపిటల్ ఏ డివైడెడ్ బై ఏఎక్స్ ప్లస్ బి. దిస్ ఈస్ ద కరస్పాండింగ్ ఫ్యాక్టర్ ఫర్ ax plus b. Capital A is a constant, you have to find the value of a. For suppose I am giving one example, see, observe 1 divided by x square minus 5x plus 6, we can factorize denominator, that I am factorizing 1 divided by x minus 2 into x minus 3, x minus 2 into x minus 3. Here 2 linear factors, it is in the form of ax plus b. That is, I am writing here, that is capital A divided by x minus 2 capital B divided by x minus 3. For x minus 2 we having capital A by x minus 2. For x minus 3 we having a capital B divided by x minus 3. This is the definition of indirectly I given, that is expressing one rational function into summation of two or more proper functions is said to be splitting into linear partial fractions. The a and b are unknowns. We have to see the value of a and b values. We have to determine, we have to find the values of a and b. How we are finding, we'll see. First we are learning how to write a partial fraction, then after how to find a and b. Very easy, you will get by using some shortcut. You will get up to end. ఏదైతే మన వీడియో లెక్చర్ వింటున్నారో ఇది అప్ టు ఎండ్ వరకు మీరు కరెక్ట్గా కాన్సన్ట్రేషన్గా అయినట్టయితే మీకు టోటల్ పార్షల్ ఫ్రాక్షన్ అనేది ఈజీగా మీరు మార్క్స్ అనేటివి గెయిన్ చేయొచ్చు. బట్ ఫాలో మీ, రైట్? దట్ ఈజ్ లీనియర్ ఫ్యాక్టర్ ఈజ్ ఓవర్. Now for suppose if g of x, once again it is a proper, if g of x is having a ax plus b whole to the power of n is one of the factor. Not once again I am saying one of the factor. అన్ని ఫ్యాక్టర్లో ఒకటి. దట్ టు ax plus b లీనియర్, ఇది కూడా ax plus b లీనియర్ బట్ రిపీటెడ్ అని మీనింగ్. దట్ ఈస్ n టైమ్స్ రిపీట్ అయితే కరస్పాండింగ్ పార్షల్ ఫ్రాక్షన్స్ ఎట్లుంటాయంటే కరస్పాండింగ్ పార్షల్ ఫ్రాక్షన్స్ a1 by ax plus b ప్లస్ a2 divided by ax plus b whole square up to so on an divided by ax plus b whole to the power of n. n నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ టైమ్స్ రిపీట్ అయితే n నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ పార్షల్ ఫ్రాక్షన్ దీని ఒక్కదానికే వస్తాయి. See, we will see an example, you will understand. 1 divided by x plus 2 whole square into x minus 1. I will write here x plus 3, no problem, you don't get confused. X plus 3 whole to the power of 2 into x minus 1. X plus 3 is repeated 2 times, that is we are going to have partial fractions for that. A by x plus 3, next b divided by x plus 3 whole square. This is linear as it is plus c divided by x minus 1. This is repeated 2 times, you got 2. If it is repeated 3 times, you will get 3. See, these are the remaining 2 rules. We are going to have remaining 2, same linear factor repeated. For suppose if g of x is having a ax square plus bx plus c is one of the factor, quadratic function, but not splitting as the linear factors. Here quadratic ఫ్యాక్టరే ఉంది, అది లీనియర్ ఫ్యాక్టర్గా స్ప్లిట్ చేయొచ్చింది. లీనియర్ ఫ్యాక్టర్గా స్ప్లిట్ చేయడానే ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ ఎగ్జిస్ట్ అయితే లీనియర్ ఫ్యాక్టర్స్గా స్ప్లిట్ చేయరాకపోతే అప్పుడు ఏం చేస్తున్నాం, దట్ ఈజ్ ఏఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ బిఎక్స్ ప్లస్ సికి కరస్పాండింగ్ పార్షల్ ఫ్రాక్షన్ ax plus b divided by ax square plus bx plus c. ax plus b divided by ax square. Here in denominator we having root degrees to numerator degrees 1. It's a proper function and quadratic factor as it is but numerator lo linear function anedi degree anedi 1 exist avutadi. So I will see an example, that is 1 divided by x square minus 1 into x square plus 1 into x square minus 1 is there. x square plus 1 ki linear factors levu, x square minus 1 ki linear factors unnai. That is x square minus 1 ante em rayachu, x minus 1 into x plus 1, x minus 1 into x plus 1. This is a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square నుంచి రాష్ట్రం. సరే x square plus 1కి లీనియర్ ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ ఉంటాయా? ఎందుకు? See, we x square plus 1 not having linear factors we are saying. How means if you compare this one with ax square plus bx plus c, for quadratic factor if b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, it have real roots. If b square minus 4ac less than 0, it's not have real roots. Same if you check for x square plus 1, comparing x square plus 1 with a square plus ax square plus bx plus 1, a equal to 1, b equal to 0, c equal to 1. If you substitute here, 0 minus 4 into 1 into 1 is nothing but minus 4 less than 0. That's why it's not having a real root. That's why linear factors అనేవి ఎగ్జిస్ట్ కావు. అదే ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ మైనస్ 1కి చెక్ చేస్తే ఏ వాల్యూ 1, బి వాల్యూ 0, సి వాల్యూ మైనస్ 1. ఇఫ్ యూ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ హియర్ బి స్క్వేర్ 0 minus 4 into 1 into minus 1 is nothing but plus 4, that is greater than 0. That's why it's going to have linear factors, that is real roots. If you write here, you have to split these, that is 1 divided by x square plus 1 into x minus 1 into x plus 1. Here I am writing here, see. For x square plus 1, ax plus b divided by x square plus 1, that is by using this. For linear factor, that is c divided by x minus 1 plus d divided by x plus 1. Okay, once again one more last and final rule, that is if g of x is having one of the factor to the ax square plus bx plus c whole to the power of n is one of the factor of g of x, the corresponding partial fractions for this is going to be a1x plus b1 divided by ax square plus bx plus c plus a2x plus b2 divided by ax square plus bx plus c whole square plus up to so on, anx plus bn divided by ax square plus bx plus c whole to the power of n. By doing the problems, you will understand how we are writing. If repeated also we are getting same thing you will get. For if linear factor is there, we will write like this. If linear factor unte direct ga a divided by x plus. If it is repeated n number of times repeat aithe n number of vaste. Same thing quadratic factor, linear factor. Quadratic factor repeat aithe kuda linear factor repeat aithe. Quadratic factor repeat aithe. Ivi 4. One more thing, that is improper function. From these are the rules in partial fractions. Based upon this, I'll see some problems how we are doing, how we are getting the answers, this a and b directly we will see. Yeah, coming to the problems in partial fractions, see, to find partial fractions total to deciding unknowns, it will take more time, but I am going to give here one good shortcut for that. By using that shortcut, you can write the unknowns very easily. See, first of all we will see the procedure to find partial fractions. Here our question is 5x plus 1 divided by x plus 2 into x minus 1. This is numerator degree is 1, denominator degree is 2. X into x, by multiplying this you will get highest power is going to be x square. Numerator degree is 1, denominator degree is 2. That's why this is proper rational function. First of all we will learn proper rational function, then after we will learn improper functions, if you are how it's going to be. See, it is a proper function, it's having linear factors in denominator. By using rule number 2, we are writing the partial fractions. Here for x plus 2 we having a by x plus 2. For x minus 1, b divided by x minus 1. Summation. Expressing one rational function into summation of two or more proper fractions is known as splitting into partial fractions. Now I am finding these values a and b, these unknowns you have to say, then only the partial fraction is over. Compulsory you have to give these unknown values. Now I am following the procedure first, that is just at right side I am taking LCM, that is LCM is going to be x plus 2 into x minus 1, cross multiply a into x minus 1 plus b into x plus 2. మీ అందరికి LCM చేయడం వచ్చు కాబట్టి ఇబ్బందుల. Right side same as it is 5x plus 1 divided by x plus 2 into x minus 1. both side LCM is going to be cancelled. Now the equation is going to be 5x plus 1 equals to a into x minus 1 plus b into x plus 2. The resultant equation, just we cancel the LCM here. Now this is equation I am checking as this is as 1, this is as 2. Here I am following substitution method. You can here we having more number of methods, quotient comparison method, substitution method, direct taking values method. Methods are there. Just I am taking a substitution method. Just what I am substituting means I am substituting x equal to 1 in above equation, that is equation number 2. Now wherever x is there, I am substituting 1. Now come on, wherever x, here x is there, 5 into 1, 5 plus 1 equals to a into 1 minus 1 plus b into 1 plus 2. Here 5 plus 1, 6 equal to 1 minus 1, 0 into a, 0 plus b into 3. Now I am writing 3b equal to 6, b equal to 6 by 3 is nothing but what? 2. I am substituting here one more value, that is x equal to minus 2 in once again equation number 2. Wherever x is there, I am substituting minus 2. 5 into minus 2, minus 10 plus 1 equals to a into x plus minus 2 minus 1 plus b into minus 2 plus 2. Now come on, minus 10 plus 1 is nothing but minus 9 equals to minus 2 minus 1 minus 3 into a minus 3a minus 2 plus 2 0 plus into b 0, that is I am writing here a equal to minus 9 divided by minus 3 is nothing but what? 3. Now a value is going to be 3. I am substituting this a and b values both in equation number 1, substituting a comma b in equation number 1. Come on, that is going to be 5x plus 1 divided by x plus 2 into x minus 1 equals to, in place of a you have to write 3 divided by x plus 2, b value 2 plus 2 divided by x minus 1. This is going to be your answer. I am not using this concept, this procedure. I am writing this answer directly. How see? See, our question is 5x plus 1 divided by x plus 2 into x minus 1. You know very well. Okay, in childhood you learn one book, that is Vedic mathematics. I am going to give one shortcut in that book. From that book, వేదిక్ మ్యాథమెటిక్స్లో ఉన్న ఒక షార్ట్ కట్ నేను మీకు చెప్పడం జరుగుతుంది పార్షల్ ఫ్రాక్షన్ టాపిక్ కోసం. ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు యూజ్ ది షార్ట్ కట్ ఎంటైర్ ఇన్ దిస్ చాప్టర్, దట్ ఈస్ పార్షల్ ఫ్రాక్షన్ టాపిక్. ఈ టాపిక్ మొత్తంలో ఇదే షార్ట్ కట్ యూజ్ చేస్తాం మనము, బట్ నేను కొన్ని వేరే రూల్స్కి కొంచెం మోడిఫికేషన్ చేసి మనం ఈ షార్ట్ కట్ యూజ్ చేస్తాం. ఫస్ట్ వీ విల్ లర్న్ దట్ షార్ట్ కట్. వెన్ వీఆర్ యూజింగ్ ది షార్ట్ కట్ మీన్స్ వెన్ ఎవర్ ఇన్ డినామినేటర్ ఇఫ్ యూ హ్యావింగ్ లీనియర్ ఫ్యాక్టర్స్, ఎన్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ లీనియర్ ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ ఉన్నా సరే మనం ఇది చేయొచ్చు. ఇక్కడ లీనియర్ ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ 2 ఉన్నాయి, దీనికి నేమ్ కూడా ఉంది. Vedic mathematics is written in Sanskrit, that's why it is nearly equal to Hindi. इसको हिंदी में बोलते हैं छुपाना. The name of this is going to be छुपाना, but I am changing that name for your sake. Okay, before that we will learn that is here 2 linear factors are there, that's why I am taking 2 linear factors, that is one is x plus 2, another one is x minus 1. I am naming this shortcut, that is I just renamed छुपाना को मैंने बदला दिया, that is converted into English cover up method. What? Cover up method. Just what we are covering, किसको छुपा रहे हैं हमने बोले तो we want x plus 2 factor, x plus 2 को छुपाना है. That means just we are eliminating x plus 2. We are eliminating x plus 2. X plus 2 eliminated means indirectly x plus 2 equal to 0. From there x equals what? Minus 2. Where it is eliminating means in place of x equal to minus 2 it is eliminated. After eliminating x plus 2 in remaining function, that is 5x plus 1 divided by x minus 1 is there. There you have to substitute x equal to minus 2. 5 into minus 2 minus 10 plus 1 minus 9 divided by minus 2 minus 1 minus 3. That is going to be your answer. That is minus minus get cancelled, 3 3s are. Now x plus 2 factor 3. Now we want x minus 1. Once again Chupana, once again cover up method. Where it is eliminating x minus 1 equal to 0, that is x equal to 1. Where it is eliminated means x equal to 1. We are eliminating this in remaining function, that is 5x plus 1 divided by, after eliminating x minus 1 x plus 2. In that we are substituting x equal to what? 1. Now substitute x equal to 1. 5 into 1, 5 plus 1, 6 divided by 5, 1 plus 2, 3, 6 by 3 is nothing but 2. ఏ సైన్ వస్తే ఇక్కడ 2 అనేది పాజిటివ్ కాబట్టి ప్లస్ 2, దట్ ఈస్ గోయింగ్ టు బి హియర్ 3 అండ్ 2 కరస్పాండింగ్ ఫ్యాక్టర్స్. యూ గట్ ఎన్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ లీనియర్ ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ వచ్చినా సరే, ఐఎమ్ రైటింగ్ వన్ మోర్ క్వశ్చన్ హియర్, దట్ ఈస్ 1 డివైడెడ్ బై ఎక్స్ మైనస్ 1 ఇంటూ ఎక్స్ ప్లస్ 1 ఇంటూ ఎక్స్ మైనస్ 2. How many linear factor? Once again same method, that is cover up method. By using this shortcut only we are going to learn total partial fraction topic 1 అని చెప్పుకుంటున్నాం. That is what you have to remember, this word, that is cover up method, right? Here see 3 factors are there. I am writing 3 factor. One is x minus 1, another one is x plus 1, another one is x minus 2. Once again cover up method. Once again cover up method, that is x minus 1 eliminate x minus 1, usko chupa raha maine, that is covering up x minus 1. Where it is eliminated means x equal to 1. Substitute in that function 1 divided by 1 plus 1, 2 into 1 minus 2 minus 1. Once again x plus 1 eliminate cheste x equal to em vastadi minus 1. Once again cover up x plus 1, eliminating x plus 1, substituting x equal to minus 1, 1 divided by minus 1 minus 1, 1 divided by minus 1 minus 1 minus 2 into minus 1 minus 2 minus 3. Eliminate x minus 2, where it is eliminated means x equal to 2. Eliminate x minus 2, substitute x equal to 2, 1 divided by 2 minus 1, 1 into 2 plus 1, 3, that is 1 by 3. This is minus into minus plus 1 by 6 here, minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2 by x minus 1, plus 1 divided by x plus 1, plus 1 by 3 divided by x minus 2 is our answer. We'll see more problems based upon this. Okay, yes, in these problems we'll see how to use our cover up method, our shortcut cover up method. उसको बोलते हैं हिंदी में छुपाना. कैसे यूज करेंगे हम देखेंगे, इधर देखेंगे. Come on, in this problem 3x plus 7 divided by x square minus 3x plus 2 is there. In denominator we having quadratic function. You have to convert, you have to express that quadratic function as linear factors. Now I am you see 1 into 2 is going to be 3, that is minus 1 minus 2 is going to be minus 3. That is 3x plus 7 divided by x minus 1 into x minus 2. See, in ECET you got this problem in 2017. This is in 2019. Same question, but question is changed. 2017 ఇది అడిగినారు, 2019 ఈ క్వశ్చన్ అడిగినారు. బట్ ఎనీవే 3x plus 7 divided by x minus 1 into x minus 2, it's having linear factors. Now I am writing that linear factors. One is x minus 1, another one is x minus 2. What we are using? Our shortcut, that is what? Cover up method. Cover up method. क्या करना हमने? Covering करना है, right? We want x minus 1. Eliminating x minus 1, substituting x equal to what? 1. After eliminating, remaining function is what? 3x plus 7 divided by x minus 2. That is, in place of x, I am substituting 1. 3 into 1, 3 plus 7, 10 divided by 1 minus 2 minus 1. X minus 2, where it is eliminating? X equal to 2. Once again, usko bhi छुपाना है, उसको भी कवरिंग कर रहे हैं हमने. x रिमेनिंग फंक्शन 3x plus 7 divided by x minus 1. there you have to substitute x equal to 2. 3 into 2, 6 plus 7, 13 divided by 2 minus 1, 1. This is plus. Sometimes the option is going to be like this. This is 13, this is minus 10. 13 divided by x minus 2 minus 10 divided by x minus 1. Always the factor is going to be that one. It's not going to be changed. Mundundi kada ani ikkada x minus 2 ikkada x minus 1 rayadu. X minus 2 corresponding factor 13. X minus 1 corresponding factor minus 10. Be careful. Okay. Once again I will use this one only. But here in denominator x cube minus x is there. That's why I am taking x common. Numerator is what? X plus 2 divided by, I am taking x common, that is x square minus 1. I can write this one as a x plus 2 divided by x into x minus 1 into x plus 1. Why? Because this is x square minus 1 is nothing but x minus 1 into x plus 1. Now we having three factors. One is x, another one is x minus 1, another one is x plus 1. Same concept. Eliminate, substitute. Here where it is eliminated, x equal to 0. Once again cover up method. Eliminate x, substitute x equal to 0. 0 plus 2 divided by 0 minus 1. 0 plus 2 is nothing but 2 divided by 0 minus 1 minus 1 into 0 plus 1, 1. For this one, eliminate x minus 1, substitute x equal to what? X equal to 1. Substitute x equal to 1. 1 plus 2, 3 divided by 1 into 1 plus 1, 2. మళ్ళీ ఇక్కడ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయదు. ఇక్కడ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే 0 వస్తుంది. ఇండిటర్మినెంట్ ఫామ్ అయితే కాబట్టి అందుకే ఎలిమినేట్ చేస్తాం. నౌ x plus 1, where it is eliminating, x equal to minus 1, x equal to what? X equal to minus 1. Substitute minus 1 plus 2, 1 divided by minus 1 into minus 1 minus 1 minus 2. That is, if you simplify, minus 2 divided by x plus 3 by 2 into x minus 1. Next, plus 1 by 2 into x plus 1. Writing this. Okay, this is a 2016 problem, same in ECET. Now, once again, one is x minus 2, another one is x minus 3. I am writing directly, I am using cover up method. Once again, eliminate x minus 2, substitute x equal to what? 2. Now substitute 2 minus 1, 1 divided by 2 minus 3 minus 1. Next, x equal to 3, 3 minus 1, 2 divided by 3 minus 2, 1. This is plus 1. We can write this as 2 divided by x minus 3 minus 1 divided by x minus 2. If you simplify this one also, you will get that. Understood now?